Welcome back to my new video. First of all, I would like to thank for 180 subscribers and thank you for your support and love that you gave to me. Please remember that without your support, I am nothing here now. Thank you very much for 180 subscribers and your support. I will try my best to work hard more and more to just entertain you all. I will spend how much I can to keep you all happy and keep you all entertaining. In my last video, I teach about basics of Rubik's Cube. But today, I'm going to teach how to complete this whole Rubik's Cube. Make sure you don't leave this video and let's get this video 4 likes. Today, I'm going to teach how to complete this whole Rubik's Cube. But before I go into this video, make sure you watch my video that I teach about basics of Rubik's Cube. In my last video, I told that remember this, red is front, white is up and blue is right and others. Well, today that is very important to complete the whole Rubik's Cube. Alright, let's go with the first layer. If you want to do the first layer, make sure you do a daisy. Wait, let me teach. Hey. Okay, this is a daisy. Remember, middle must have yellow and 4 whites. After you complete this daisy, okay, example this is white, orange. So in middle layer you have to find orange. When you found the orange, you have to turn 180 degrees. Then the next one, red, you have to find red. Then turn 180 degrees. Next, green, 180 degrees and must find blue, 180 degrees. When you finish this, when you turn it upside down, you can see that this is completed. Okay, before I teach to finish these corners, let's get this video 4 likes. Okay, to finish these 4 corners, make sure you find the corner pieces. Here one, you can see this white and see green, orange. So you find where is the green, orange. Okay, you can see here green, orange. So this thing, orange, green. So it has to go up here. If you want to bring this piece to here, you have to just put this at the left, down, right, up. Okay, so that is what you have to do for all the corners. If you have this problem, what you have to do is keep this at the right hand side, bring this down, bring this left, bring this up. So you can bring it from the up layer to down. Okay, now we have to complete the corner pieces. Now this green, red, the same thing, have to find where's green. Okay, green, red, we found it. Same thing, down, right, up. You see? Next one. Okay, remember what I told. This thing must be at the right hand side, down, left, up. Okay, this piece, blue, red. So we have to find, and we found it, blue, red. Wait, where? Okay, now this piece we have to bring up here. So what we have to do is bring this to right, down, left, up. The last piece, if this thing stuck down, what you have to do is, you can see, you just turn this down 180 degrees, up. Now this thing is here. So you bring it here, this place, down. That's all for first layer. You can say we completed the first layer. For the second layer, you must turn the cube upside down. Because for second layer, we are going to complete these middle places. Okay, you can see blue, in red up here. If you want to bring this red here, because you can see blue and red, here must be blue, red. So if you want to bring this piece to right hand side, what you have to do is this up one you must turn to left, right up right, right down, up right, front left, up left and front right. You can see it went here. So now blue, orange here. If you want to bring to the left hand side, what you have to do is up right, left up left, left down, up left, front right, up right, front left. You see, we did it. That is what you have to do for the other pieces. Now this red, if this yellow, you can't do anything. Now red, green. Now we have to bring to the right hand side. So up left, right up right, right down, up right, front left, front right. Okay, we completed the second layer. Next, we have to finish this yellow. Okay, well, if you want to do this move, you must make sure the yellow is like this in a straight horizontal line or in a L shape, all yellow. For this move, what you have to do is front right, right up left, right down, up right and front left. Okay, sometimes it will have some problem like this. It's supposed to be a fish shape. Fish shape is like this yellow. It looks like a fish, or a cross shape like this. No, number 8 looks like this picture. Okay, if you have this problem, what you have to do is just do this move: right up left, right down, up left, right up left, right down. If you still have a problem, you have to do it until you get a fish shape number 8 or cross. Sorry. Okay, we have a cross. No, now you must do the move: right up left, right down, up left, right up left, right down. Oh no. Wait guys, let me to get the fish cross or number 8. After 7 tries of that move, the right up left. After the move, finally I get a number 8. This is what a number 8 looks like. So you have to keep this position. Remember this corner, this corner. Now what you have to do, the same thing: right up left, right down, up left, right up left, right down. And see, we get a fish. So you have to repeat the same step. We get a fish. Remember, the fish always must be in this position. Okay. Okay, we completed the yellow. We are almost done. To finish the third layer, you can see only third layer left. What you have to do is make sure this move, you must know you are at least like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 colors at one side, like this, no, not this, like blue, orange. What you have to do is this move can done when the position is like this, or the orange is at this side and here empty. This is what you have to do. So right up left, up left, right down, up right, left down, up right, left, up right and left down. You still have the same thing, because okay, this is when you're almost going to finish. Okay, this is what I told you just now. Only one left. The same move, but this time I'm going to teach in a story way, a Kutti story that my friend Shafiq teach me. Okay. Sorry guys, I did a small mistake, so I redo the Rubik's cube. Actually just now blue, here was blue. Now because of some accidents, here orange. Okay, let me teach the story. Okay, this is Abu and this is parents. And Abu, he went to his house toilet. And then Ali came with his parents. This is Ali. Ali went to his toilet. Then, okay, Abu came back and he went back to his home with his parents. Then, because Ali's toilet is not working, he went to Abu's toilet. So the parents waited for so long because Ali didn't show up. They went back to home. So Ali he went to shopping mall. Shopping mall is at the back. Then his parents came back. So Ali came back and they went home. After this you can see this is the final. Only 3 pieces left. Okay, for this move, if you want to bring the piece to actually if you have like these 3, if you want to finish it in one move, you have to choose the middle one. But I will teach you later. For now I teach this. Okay, if you want to bring to the left, you have to front left, left, up left, left down, right down, front up, front right, right, left up, right up left, front right, right. Okay, you can see the green went there. But if you want to bring to the right hand side, what you have to do is up right, left down, right down, front right, right, left up right, up right, front right, right. We completed. Okay, but let me show you how to finish in the one move. Okay, if you want to finish in one move, I ask you to choose the middle piece. So this one have to go left. If right, you have to use the right move. Left, left move. If you want to complete in one single step, so I have to go left. What you have to do is the left move. Completed. That's all guys. But if you want to, first I gave you the guide. You screenshot, print out, try to learn. Like after you had a lot of practice, you can memorize the steps. There is another move, which is you can just now only 3 plays, but this time 4 plays also have one piece. Remember in my last video, I told you that orange opposite is red, blue opposite is green. For this one, what you have to do is this middle thing, down, down 2 times. This one you have to turn left. You have to repeat the steps. Once you get like this, turn right. Complete. 4 pieces in one move. Make sure you like this video, share this video, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Thank you. That's all for today guys. Thanks for staying with me until end of the video. Let's finish this video with the Padu. Last time I fell down and I hurt badly. Let's finish with the Padu. Padu!